On this episode of Disco Life, we do a brake job. Twice.
Before we get going on the brakes, we want to tell you about our 100 subscriber goal.
So our goal is to reach 100 subscribers, and if we do, we will do a fails compilation video.
Which are mostly going to be me, 'cause I screw up a lot. That's okay.
So if you just casually happened upon our video, we would love it if you would subscribe and help us meet our goal.
So we were going to the stores and getting stuff and going back and repairing and going to the stores and getting stuff and repairing and going back out.
So the boy and I are on our way back to Home Depot. Need some different sockets for getting the calipers off than what I had. I don't have a 12. I only have a 6 hex. So gotta go back and get a couple more things. You know, it's just kind of how it always is. There's always a list of crap you need that I don't seem to have and need to go get. So that's what we're doing right now. Hopefully we'll get it all done this time. So I didn't film it, but I just kind of wanted to say that I was wrong.
Can I get that in writing?
I did not think that a hand impact wrench or impact driver was really going to be what I needed. So I tried to do it with my impact wrench. But I thought I could get it done with that and a number 3 Phillips head, and I was definitely saw that at the screw was getting ready to strip. So luckily I found one, a hand impact wrench nearby. Went and bought it, had a number 4 with it, number 4 Phillips, brought it home, and like 2 taps, it was loose, good to go. So we're getting ready to use the hand impact, the one that I had to go get yesterday. That worked out really well, so here we are using it again. No such luck this time though. Let's see. There she is, she broke loose, just like that. So if you're ever in doubt about this, if you're doing it for the first time and you're like, I don't need the hand impact wrench.
You need the hand impact
You
wrench.
need the hand impact. See all that rust coming out? We don't want to hit the posts. See, she's loose now. There she comes. She's done. Alright. Second rotor off. See, I've got the rotor off now. There it is. Just gonna do some cleanup here with a wire brush. Got my new nut here, new bolt, I forget what it's called, banjo bolt. Got my 2 new copper wires that came with the caliper. So I'm getting ready to take out from the old caliper, and I'm going to switch it over as quickly as I can so I'm not losing any brake fluid more than I have to. Okay. She's snugged up good. Yeah, so now we're good with this one. We've got to bleed it. Alright, so these are the ones I got done yesterday. I forgot to put the brake pads in. So I'm going to get ready to do that now. I still haven't bled these yet.
I think there might have been something called brake fluid, definitely.
There she is.
Then unbrake.
Keep pumping her. and so now it is time to put on the tire. It's heavy. Apparently when we did the brakes, we put the calipers on the wrong wheels. So what he's talking about is that you get the top. So that's what's going on here. All right, so we've got that taken care of. We switched out the rotors. Now we just gotta bleed the brakes. Took, I don't know, about 2 hours to get the brakes done. Ended up having to go get some more brake fluid because I could hear the air in the cylinder, and I was looking at the reservoir and it definitely dried out on the left side. So we just went and got some more brake fluid, topped it off, bled the front and the back brakes, and now everything's great. Like the pedal is so much better than it was.
Please like and subscribe.
And as always, please comment below with any sort of things that you see that we're doing that, maybe could help other people.